Before I actually run the fountain show, I wanted to share a little bit of information. So, according to my research, these pool fountains are on the Royal Princess, Regal Princess, and Majestic Princess. This video is from our cruise on Majestic in December 2024. The deck, as you can see here, has normally during the day they set chairs up there. There has been questions raised online as to whether or not it's the best use of space. We enjoyed the video. It ran, or the show. It ran at least 2 nights during our cruise. Well, thanks for watching. As always, a like and a follow are appreciated. Hope you all have a good day and happy and safe travels.